This is an emergency alert notification issued by the O'Hara Weather System. At 3:10 p.m., a hurricane warning remains in effect. Doppler radar indicated rotation near O'Hara, moving southeast at 120 miles per hour, which is a Category 3 hurricane, damaging winds expected. Seek shelter immediately in a sturdy building's lowest level. Areas impacted include O'Hara, Enrique, and Mendoza. It is advised not to go outside, as it's dangerous and deadly. Stock food, water, medicine, and clothing for a few days. As of now, we don't have any more announcements. This emergency message will now end. May God have mercy on you, and good luck.